What if I told you that you could turn a bag of baby carrots into the most ridiculous hot honey roasted carrots you've ever tasted, and your air fryer does all the work? Start with a pound of baby carrots. Mix together 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter, some salt, pepper, paprika, garlic and onion powder, and 2 tablespoons of hot honey. Toss your carrots in that sweet, spicy, buttery goodness until every single one is glossy and coated. This is where all the flavor comes from. Now throw them into a preheated air fryer and spread them out a little so they roast instead of steam. Set your air fryer to 380 degrees for 20 minutes and give them a quick stir around the halfway point. That's literally it. Your air fryer handles the rest. When they're done, you get this perfect balance of sweet heat, buttery caramelization, and those roasted edges that taste way more gourmet than any bag of baby carrots should. If you're trying to level up your veggies without doing any actual work, this is the one. Hit that like and subscribe button for more easy air fryer wins.